If you're trying to decide between Reolink and Ubiquiti, most comparisons miss the biggest difference, so here's the quick breakdown. I've spent time looking at both systems, and honestly, they target different types of users. Reolink is all about value. You get high-resolution cameras, local recording options, and a relatively simple setup without spending a fortune. For homeowners and small businesses that want reliable surveillance without a steep learning curve, Reolink is hard to beat. Ubiquiti, on the other hand, is built around a complete ecosystem. Its Unify Protect platform gives you a polished interface, centralized management, and seamless integration with other Unify networking products. The experience feels more premium, but you'll usually pay significantly more to get started. The difference nobody explains properly is that you're not just buying cameras. You're buying into an ecosystem. Reolink gives you flexibility and affordability. Ubiquiti gives you tighter integration and a more refined management experience. So which one wins? If your priority is the best value for your money, I'd choose Reolink. If you already use Unify gear or want a fully integrated smart networking and security setup, Ubiquiti is probably worth the extra cost. That's the quick breakdown.